In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment to YouTube Shorts. Let's get started right from your browser. First, open YouTube and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. This is important because you can only leave comments when you're signed in. Once you're in, you'll be on the main YouTube homepage. From here, you want to head to your YouTube dashboard, also known as YouTube Studio if you're managing your own content, or simply stay on the main interface if you're just commenting on shorts you see in your feed. Either way, the process will look very similar. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look through that list until you find the option labeled Shorts. Go ahead and click on that. This section is dedicated to YouTube Shorts, so it makes it easier to focus just on short-form videos rather than regular, longer uploads. Once you're in the Shorts area, you'll see a list or grid of shorts. Find the specific short you want to comment on. Take a moment to make sure it's the right video, especially if there are several from the same creator or with similar thumbnails. Next to the short, look for the comment icon. This usually looks like a little speech bubble. Click on that icon. This will open the comment panel for that particular short, either on the side or underneath the video, depending on your screen size and layout. Here, you'll be able to see comments other viewers have left and add your own. Now, locate the field that says Add a Comment. This is the text box where you'll type your message. Click once inside that field to activate it. You should see your typing cursor appear. Go ahead and type in your comment. You can share feedback, ask a question, or support the creator with something positive. Just remember to keep your comment respectful and relevant to the video. If you make a mistake, you can use backspace or delete to fix it before you post. When you're happy with what you've written, look for the button labeled Comment, usually to the right of the text box. Click on that button to publish your comment. After a moment, your comment will appear in the list, visible to you and other viewers. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a comment to a YouTube short.